Installing a floor drain, also known as a siphon, along with ceramic tiles is a task that requires precision, planning, and attention to detail. This comprehensive step-by-step guide is designed to take you through the entire process from start to finish, ensuring a professional and long-lasting installation. Whether you are renovating a bathroom, a kitchen, a laundry area, or any tiled floor that requires efficient drainage, this tutorial will provide you with all the necessary instructions, tips, and techniques to complete the job successfully. Step 1. Planning and preparation. The first step in installing a floor drain is careful planning. Identify the location of the drain based on the natural slope of the floor to ensure proper water flow. Floors must have a slight incline toward the drain, usually around 1–2% slope per meter, to allow water to flow efficiently without pooling. Measure and mark the exact position where the drain will be installed. Clear the area of any debris, old tiles, or uneven surfaces. If you are replacing an old drain, remove it completely and clean the surrounding floor to provide a stable base for the new installation. Step 2. Selecting the right floor drain. Choosing the right floor drain is crucial. There are several types of drains, including traditional siphons, linear drains, and anti-odor models. Make sure the drain you select fits the size of your existing pipework, and consider the type of flooring you are installing. Check the specifications for flow rate, material, and compatibility with ceramic tiles. High-quality stainless steel or PVC drains are often recommended for durability and resistance to corrosion. Step 3. Preparing the drain area. Once the location and type of drain are determined, prepare the floor area. If necessary, remove a portion of the concrete or screed to accommodate the drain body. Ensure the subfloor is level around the drain area, except for the slope toward the drain. Installing a waterproofing membrane is highly recommended to prevent water leaks and damage to the subfloor. Apply the membrane carefully, extending it several centimeters around the drain opening, and seal it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4. Installing the drain body. Place the drain body in the prepared hole, making sure it is aligned with the existing plumbing. Connect it securely to the drainage pipe, ensuring a tight fit and proper seal. Use PVC glue or rubber gaskets as required for your drain type. Double-check the level of the drain top relative to the finished floor height. It should sit slightly lower than the final tile level to allow for the adhesive and tile thickness. Secure the drain body temporarily if needed to prevent movement during tile installation. Step 5. Preparing the mortar bed. Next, prepare the mortar or thin-set adhesive for the ceramic tiles. Mix it according to the manufacturer's instructions to achieve the correct consistency. Apply a layer of mortar around the drain and across the floor area, maintaining the slope toward the drain. Use a notched trowel to spread the mortar evenly and check the slope frequently with a spirit level or laser level. Proper slope is critical to ensure water flows directly into the drain without pooling on the floor. Step 6. Laying the ceramic tiles. Begin laying the ceramic tiles around the drain carefully. Cut tiles as needed to fit tightly around the drain body. Use a wet saw or tile cutter for precise cuts, ensuring a snug fit without large gaps. Leave a small gap between the tile edge and the drain rim for grout, but avoid excessive spacing that could weaken the installation. Place tile spacers if necessary to maintain even spacing between tiles throughout the floor. Press each tile firmly into the mortar, checking the level and alignment continuously. Step 7. Sealing and grouting around the drain. Once all tiles are installed and the adhesive has cured, apply grout to the joints between the tiles. Select a grout suitable for wet areas, preferably waterproof or epoxy-based, to prevent water penetration. Carefully